This is the 2023 Starcraft 171 SVX. Comes with matching trailer with a swing tongue, large bow platform, forward ladder, anchor storage, cleats, grab bars all around. This is a 17-foot deck boat. Is equipped with a 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke motor. Large stern swim platform, ladder. Inside the 171, you have your extended swim platform, this key tow bar, storage under all your seats, lots of cup holders, grab bars. You have a ski locker, stepping to the helm, captain's chair with a bolster seat, side controls. This deck boat's rated for 10 people. You have a tilt steering wheel, all your gauges, switches, fuel, speedometer, tack, Bluetooth radio. Stepping to the bow of the boat, more storage under both your seats. More cup holders. Do have a wet storage here you can use as a cooler. Drains into the bilge. Large swim platform off the bow. Do a ladder off the bow with anchor storage. Cleats and grab bars everywhere. This deck boat is equipped with a bimini and all of its covers. Convenient walk-through, stern ladder, this is 2023 Starcraft 171 SVX.